What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Atomic Yin here, and guys, it is 2021. Let's go! Let's go! Guys, I've missed you all. I'm so sorry. I've been posting on my YouTube channel for a couple of weeks now. Just been busy with the Twitch and the streaming sort of things. It obviously was Christmas and the Happy New Year, and obviously for the UK, we're back in lockdown, baby. All right, so it's been a little bit mad in England at the minute. I'm in personal life, but guys, I wanted to come back with a bang, right? I wanted to come back with a bang. And you know me, by now, I like to bring you guys the most interactive, the most breathtaking, the most downright great things to add to your streams, right? And I have a special one for you guys today. Do you want to know what it is? I don't know, let me show you one of my favorites. Let's show you something I'm going to be showing you guys how to do today. Oh no, what's this line? Oh my god. Yeah. Guys, I'm going to be showing you how to download Lioranboard Stream Deck for your Windows or Mac. And also, as a plus, how to get the time warp scan as an interactive channel point for your live streams. If that sounds interesting, roll the intro. Alright guys, so let's get straight into it. You want to hit the first link in the description down below and it'll be bringing you to this page. It's called the OBS Websocket. And guys, what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you have all different installers. So you need to make sure you know if you're on a Mac or Windows. I'm going to do the Windows zip folder. You want to click that and it'll start downloading. Guys, I just want to declare and just say that this only works with OBS Studio. So for you guys on Streamlabs OBS, Lioranboard will not work. This is for OBS Studio. So if you guys have OBS Studio, have a great time. Sorry for you folks on Streamlabs. Like I said, there is another Stream Deck alternative, which I could do a video on in the future. But for this video, it's just for OBS Studio users. Alright, so guys, for you lucky people, we're going to load up the file, and what you want to do is you want to highlight these three folders right here. You want to right click and go to copy, and then on the left hand side you want to scroll down until you see your Windows C drive, program files, and you want to scroll down to OBS Studio. Now guys, if you do not see OBS Studio in this folder, it should be in your program files 86. Once you've opened up the file, guys, all you want to do is right click and you want to paste. It tells me to replace the items that I've done because I've already installed this and I've already done everything. So for you guys, just press yes, yes, and yes, and it'll all be, you know, installed into this folder. So I'm gonna get off this, and that is done. And that is done, guys. In the second link in the description, it'll be bringing you to the Lioranboard Stream Deck. And if you click it, and this will be the page that it shows, and all you guys want to do is you want to go to downloads at the top right. It'll say Lioranboard version 1.40. Gonna click that and it'll start downloading. Guys, also the person who made this incredible plugin is called Exeldra, so make sure you guys leave him a good review in the description down below. Poof. Well, you know, on the page. Once that's downloaded, guys, you want to open it up. You want to go to your downloads and you want to extract the folder, guys. So right click, extract all. You'll start doing it. Like it says, I've already done this. So it's telling me if I'd like to replace the file in the destination. I don't need to do that, but for you guys, just extract it all. And once you are in, like here, you just want to go to your Lioranboard receiver. You want to scroll down to your Lioranboard receiver. Double click, and you'll open it up just like this. Hey! Alright guys, so sorry, I had a little bit of a mistake in the actual video. So this is post-production James. Sorry about the terrible haircut. Well, I'm actually growing out my... Anyways, when you first get on the Stream Deck, just connect to OBS. When I'm talking about the TSL transmitter, that's to do with connect to Twitch. Just to point out. So first thing to do, guys, is just connect to OBS. It should say connected. Link to your Twitch is the URL that you open. and connect to Twitch is the TSML transmitter that I am talking about. Okay, back to the video. Now, guys, for me, it's already connecting straight to my OBS and my Twitch. For you guys, it will be all the black lettering on the white background. And the first step, guys, you want to do is you would like to connect to Twitch. Now, if you click connect to Twitch, it'll say something like, oh, you need a TSL transmitter to get this thing running. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So what you guys want to do is you want to go to your OBS, open up OBS. You want to go to a brand new scene. And what you guys want to do is you need to add a scene. And I'm just going to call it TSL. Alright guys, so yeah, I messed up on this part again. I kind of went to the same, my own personal source. I didn't show you guys actually how to set it up. So all you want to do is you want to do a new browser source. You want to name it TSL transmitter. Press OK. What you want to do is click local file and then browse. And what you're trying to do is in your folder, you need to go to Lioranboard. So find your Lioranboard folder and click the TSL transmitter, which is in that folder, and then press open. So as you can see, found Lioranboard, click to open, there's TSL right there, and then press open. And then all you have to do is press OK. And you, my friends, are sorted. Alright, next up, guys, is link your Twitch. So all you want to do is you want to click link your Twitch. And you will click this button right here to open. And it should say... Lioranboard is now connected to your Twitch. Return back to Lioranboard. Something like that. So, guys, that's it. You just go back to Lioranboard. Like I said, mine's already done. And now you should have a tick and a grayed out link to Twitch. Now, guys, the final one is to connect to your Twitch, your actual Twitch. And guys, all you have to do is connect to Twitch and you will see that it should immediately gray out. And you should all be connected to your OBS, your Twitch, and actually the link to your Twitch as well. And guys, you have successfully linked yourself to the Lioranboard. That's it, guys. If you would like to go to options, you want to make sure auto connect to OBS is ticked and auto connect to Twitch is also ticked. That means when you load up the app, it automatically connects everything to the right thing. Make sure your frame per second is what it is for your stream. So mine's 60, yours could be 30. I'm gonna press accept. And guys, all you want to do is you want to go to add new deck right at the bottom there. And this is your stream deck, guys. So all you want to do now is name the deck whatever you want at the top here. You can change the background color to anything you want like that. It's pretty goddamn cool. And all you have to do, guys, is right click on your mouse and you will see a whole lot of buttons right here. What you want to do is you want to press create blank button. Call it the name of the channel point which we will be doing today, which is time warp scan. Press create. And there you go, guys. That's your first button. Now, let's create it. Oosh! Alright, guys. So what you want to do now is we're actually going to make your first official channel point to your live stream. So this is what people do. This is when people redeem your channel points, and it is the first step to interactivity, baby. So what you guys want to do is make a brand new scene. And you're going to call it my camera scene. Now, guys, the reason why this is so that every effect that we do in the future is going to be actually on this camera scene for us to then use on other scenes. So, for example, for me personally, and I'll show you guys this now, I actually have my meme camera scene, which I have called it. And this is the camera scene from the beginning of the video. I have put this scene on my just chatting scene, if that makes sense. So this is my just chatting scene. And I've actually, within the source, I have put meme camera scene. So I've put like a scene within a scene. And this means that any effects and filters that happen, for example, I don't know, do a barrel roll. Do a barrel roll! It happens actually on the scene that you want it to be on, if that makes sense. Trust me on this, guys. I'm a smart guy. Only just. So that's why we're doing it on the camera scene. So for example, you guys don't need this display capture. This is only for you guys to see what I'm doing. But for you guys, what you'll do is you'll do a new source and it will be just your webcam. So it should be like, I don't know, full like this, for example. And guys, what we're going to do is actually we're going to skip this and we're going to download the third link in the description, and it's going to bring you to the time warp scan. So let me guys show you this right now. So once you click the third link in the description, guys, it's going to be brought you to this website. It's being made by, yet again, Exceldra. So make sure you give him a massive boost and a good old compliment. What you guys want to do is you want to go to downloads, which is just in the top corner right here. Going to press download, and it's going to kind of ask you what you want, what would you like to download it on. So again, guys, macros, Linux, Windows. We're going to do the Windows zip, and we're going to download that right now. Shouldn't take too long to download. There we go, we've got it, baby. Yeah, again, guys, make sure it is zipped. So what you want to do is right click, extract all information, extract. Yeah, again, I've already done this. So make sure you download it and extract it. Once you're in, guys, you're going to highlight these two. You're going to right click, you're going to press copy. You're going to go to your Windows C drive, find program files or program files 86. You guys want to go and find OBS Studio. And what you guys want to do is you right click and paste it into that folder, just like the earlier step with Lioranboard. And that should all be posted. Make sure OBS is shut for this, guys. Otherwise it shouldn't work. So make sure you have OBS shut and then reopen OBS. And you guys will see, if we go to our webcam within the My Camera scene, go to filters. You want to go to your plus, and you should see time warp scan near the bottom, or anywhere you should see time warp scan. If you do not see time warp scan, close OBS, re-upload it. If that still doesn't work, restart your PC and hopefully it'll come on then. If it doesn't, make sure you follow the tutorial early in the video and make sure you have the folder saved in the right location. So guys, this is the time warp scan. This is the one I've got right here. This is mine. It's 10,000 milliseconds. The line width is 30, and I've got a bit of a color on there so you can customize it any way you want. You've also got the rotation, so this is the filter in effect. It's cool, right? I love it. Freaking love it. And then you just turn it off like this with the eye, and then you're back to normal. So you guys, you can play with this. You can even do rotations. So we'll do like 188, for example. It's coming up on this side. Something like that. That is so funny. I freaking love that. So you guys can play around with whatever you guys want to do. So you just want to leave that off for now. And guys, that is it downloaded. But James, so that's downloaded, but how do I get it using working with channel points? Well, I'm going to tell you, Jimmy. This is how you do it. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to go to your Lioranboard. You want to go to your new deck 21. And from just now, we have the time warp scan. Guys, whatever name you call your little box is what is going to be named in the actual channel point redemption. So for this, we're going to right click. We're going to go to Twitch triggers, add a new Twitch trigger, and you're going to do it as a point redeem, because that is the redeem that we're doing. So let's call it time warp scan. Press done. Oh, you also want to add it to requested queue, guys. That just means that if people do the same command back to back, it will play the next command straight after the one that's just been done. You want to press done, and you guys can go to your commands. Want to press plus. You guys want to go to your filters, which is the time warp scan. There we go, and you're just going to turn that to true. Then what you want to do, guys, is click the scissors and the button next to it, the piece of paper. I'll put me about there, somewhere like that. That should be pretty nice. So you yourself are copied, and you want to turn this off, and you want to do it for 10,000 milliseconds, just like that. Press done. Press done again. And now that is officially saved. Guys, that's the command done within Lioranboard. So let's make sure we make it as a channel point redeem in Twitch. So guys, what I want you guys to do is I need you guys to go to your Twitch account. So let's just load that up now. You guys want to go to your channel. Guys, this is my Twitch channel, by the way. So I don't know if you guys want to leave, you know, a nice follow or you know, watching some of my future live streams, guys, hit that follow button right there. Go on, Bobby. Go on. Oosh. Oosh. Let's go, guys. You want to go to your chat. You want to go down to the bottom, the 3 dots, and manage rewards. Brought to this page. Remember, camera a little bit smaller. Ooh, there we go. You guys want to go to your manage rewards and challenges, and these are all my current rewards. So you want to add a new custom reward. You want to name it the same name as it was in Lioranboard. Time warp scan. You want to enter amount of your channel points. I don't know, like for example, you could do 200. Guys, I've just named it time warp scan 1, just because I've already got mine activated. So as you can see here, right at the very top, time warp scan and time warp scan 1. So what I'll do for this video is I'm going to call it time warp scan 1. So you guys don't need to do that. That is literally just for me. Guys, just have time warp scan, and in your Twitch have time warp scan. Make sure it's the same. But for me, I'm just going to leave it as that. You guys want to go to your OBS screen. You want to go to your left. So let's make the camera a little bit bigger. Just like this. There we go. You want to do your channel point. There you go, time warp scan. For you, for me, it says time warp scan 1. Just want to click it. Booyah. And ladies and gentlemen, and hopefully it works. Yeah, boy. But look at that sexy face. Guys, it's been a bit of a long video. Alright, I'll try and edit this to around, hopefully under 15 minutes. If the command is still not working, there's a little bit of a bug, so just redo the command again. Just clear the boxes in Lioranboard and then rewrite the command out again, and it should be as that. Make sure you take a screenshot and just it's pretty simple once you get it. Guys, hopefully you've enjoyed. It's taken me a good few attempts to actually make this video, but guys, it's 2021. I have so many great video ideas for you lot to use, especially with channel point redeems. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get every single one of my channel points. So there's a lot to look forward to this year. I hope you have a fantastic 2021. If you've liked the video, make sure you do give it a like. And guys, subscribe. Hit that bell right there. Oosh. And guys, follow me on Twitch. I stream every Monday, Thursday, and Friday right here. And guys, it's been on a happy streaming.